going on, guys? Jacob Vile. I'm giving myself a demo full tilt. It's a clipping, and I'm going to see if I can handle it. Yeah, be me. You want to give me a rundown of what I was in here?
Sundown NSV 318. There's Sundown SCV 3K at half ohm, and then Crescendo C1004 on the mids, but really there's like no mids in here. Everything's got a mess. I didn't expect the demo, but
okay, that's all right. Yeah, man. You built the box?
Yeah, like threw it together just for temporarily, but eventually it's coming out and it's getting a wall.
Okay, and a wall in this. All right, awesome.
Multiple NSV 318s on a lot more power.
Oh yeah. Okay. Heck yeah.
Do your thing.
It's the lows though, dude. How low was that? Like 16? Jeez, 16 hertz. That's crazy, man. I can't believe it. Is that what you built it for? To be insanely low?
Yeah, I'm really
Yeah, I'll hear one more song if you want to play. Sure, man. ever seen a single sub do something like that low. That's pretty impressive. So I appreciate the demo, man.
You're welcome. I still haven't even, there's nothing in here, deadened or nothing.
There isn't? I know there's a lot of gains, but you just threw it together, so.
Hey, have you set them 16 yet? Yeah. Oh, you did? All right.
Dude, this is insane.
The hatch has the red strap on because the wiper fell out going to the last
Really?
Port St. Lucie, I went to that one. Wiper fell off going down the road. So I put the hatch through it, and it's still, the hatch still goes down.
Does the hatch open? Could I see the back of the box just to see it, or? Yeah. I appreciate it, man.
The strap off.
Oh, don't do that if you don't have to do that. Don't worry about it, man. That's too much work.
Yeah, you gotta undo the strap.
Don't worry about it, man. Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?
Wayne.
Wayne.
I got the white car with the 318.
Yeah, I remember. Yep. I just like to ask on the video. Yeah. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.